Hi, we are at Alaris Lanka Private Limited today. So Lora Premium Beauty will be our official skincare partner for Miss International Sri Lanka 2025.
So as women, we always want to look beautiful. So we do different things, such as most of us, we use makeup on a daily basis, which might damage our skin barrier. So by using a collagen like Lora, it helps us stay refreshed and helps us glow from within too. So thank you, Lora, for being our official skincare partner. So you can unleash your inner radiance with Lora Collagen. Thank you.
හයි අද අපි ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නේ ඇලරීස් ලංකා පෞද්ගලික සමාගමට අපේ මිස් ශ්‍රී ලංකා for Miss International pageant එකේ මේ පාර ස්කින් කෙයාර් පාර්ට්නර් විදියට ලෝරා කොලජන් අපිත් සමග සම්බන්ධ වෙනවා.
ඔව් අනාරා කාන්තාවක් විදියට ගොඩාක් බිසි ලයිෆ් එකක් ගත කරන අපිට අපේ ස්කින් එක, hair එක, beauty එක හැමදේම මග ඇරෙනවා. ඉතින් ඒ හැම දෙයකම එක විසඳන විදියට අපිට ලෝරා කොලජන් භාවිත කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් අපේ daily routine එකට ලෝරා කොලජන් ඇඩ් කරගත්තොත් අපිට මේ හැම ප්‍රශ්නටම විසඳුම ලබා ගන්න පුළුවන්. Thank you.
Hey guys, so today we're at Alaris Lanka Private Limited. Lora Premium Beauty Collagen is an overall wellness care for women to look youthful.
Thank you Lora Beauty Premium Collagen Products for sponsoring on Miss International Sri Lanka 2025 as the skincare partner. So we are looking forward for the witness of the best.
So all of you are very beautiful and we are glad that we could be a part of Miss International, this pageant. We're starting off as a mini pageant with you for the first time. And so Lora, you would have heard how exceptionally well Lora is prepared and it goes to the market. I just want to give you a small review on why Lora Collagen was created. We actually went out into the market and spoke to our own consumers, even people who used other collagen supplements, and we came up with their concerns. We actually listened to what they had to say. Any concerns about the existing products they were using, and so we found that there is only collagen products in the market with only collagen. There wasn't any other ingredient added into it, there wasn't anything, and also the collagen that was used in it was made out of bovine and swine. So swine and bovine is pig and bull cartilage. So it was used by taking those cartilages, grinding them and coming up with this collagen. So we wanted a more animal friendly type. So we included bio-marine collagen, which is cruelty free, and we also included vitamin C and biotin.
So how can a manufacturer ensure that? So we have stability chambers. Like different environmental conditions we have given, there are chambers, right? Our product at the initial research level. So we get this product out, we keep it in our chambers, like extreme conditions. In the environmental conditions like that, we manipulate and we keep. And if we are claiming 2 years shelf life, we are testing for 3 years. Okay, that's how we release a product. We introduce a product to market. If we are claiming 2 years, this product is stability studies done for 3 years.